What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. Starting the vlog off at the house, and at the house, guys. So what is up? And you guys are probably wondering. I gotta tell you guys two things. But number one, you guys are probably wondering why I'm wearing this Santa shirt, because it's awesome. I love Santa, and like Christmas is awesome, but it's only Thanksgiving. We're going to a party, and they told me to wear the shirt, so I was like, why not? Like, it's Santa Claus, duh, I'm gonna wear it, obviously. And number two, guys, my post notification shout out goes to this guy right here. If you guys want to post notification shout out, make sure you guys smash the like button. Actually, don't smash the like button, just be gentle, like tap it like that. Just be really gentle with that like button. And turn my post notifications and comment when you guys are done. And shout you guys out my next vlog. And what is that? Dog. It's a dog. And guys, let's get right into this vlog. I don't know if you guys can see me or not, but like the shirt that I told you guys, the Santa Claus shirt, has something cool that you can do. So let me see if I can get it on camera. Is it on? Can you see? Is it dead? Wait, hold on. Yo, can you see that? Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see. It lights up. And Santa Claus with the glasses be swagging. He be swagging, guys. Like, the Santa Claus has got the glasses on and stuff. The shirt's cool though. I don't know. Alright guys, so I don't know if I showed you guys. Wait. Alright guys, so this is the new car we got finally. I like it. So I hate vans. I hate that car. I hate it. I hate that car. I love this car right here. This car is nice. Reminds me of our other car, the Yukon. That real expensive Yukon that we had. The GMC Denali. This car reminds me of that one. This is a nice car though too. I like this a lot. Alright guys, we're leaving now. Alright guys, I'm gonna change my shirt and go get a haircut, so I'll see you guys in 3, 2, 1. Oh, new haircut guys, look at that. Haircut. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you guys did enjoy this vlog, make sure you guys leave a like, smash the like button, subscribe, turn my post notifications. And comment when you guys are done. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. If I don't die. Peace.